Hi everyone, welcome to Bodyworks Prime. Today we're going to be going over the origin, the insertion and the action of the gluteus medius muscle. So we can see pictured here the gluteus medius muscle, and the gluteus medius is one of the three gluteal muscles. The other two are the gluteus maximus and the gluteus minimus. And I've put some links in the description box below, so if you're interested in those other two gluteal muscles, check them out after this video. So as for the gluteus medius muscle, it lies in between those two gluteal muscles. So the gluteus maximus is going to be superficial to the medius, so it's going to go over the top of it or cover it up. And the minimus is going to be deep to the gluteus medius, meaning that the gluteus medius is going to cover up a portion of the gluteus minimus. Next, we can see the origin marked out here in red, and that's on the posterior surface of the ilium, specifically between the anterior and the posterior gluteal lines. So let's go over the gluteal lines next. You can see I've marked out some of the origins of the gluteus maximus muscle here, and the origin of the gluteus minimus muscle. So you can see separating the origins of the gluteal muscles now, we have various lines, and these are the gluteal lines. So we've got the gluteus medius in the middle here, and then we've got the posterior gluteal line, which is a separation between the medius and the maximus, and we've got the anterior gluteal line, which is a separation between the minimus and the medius. So next you can see I've marked out here in blue the insertion on the greater trochanter of the femur, and specifically that's on the posterior and lateral part of the superior portion of the greater trochanter. So we're back again with the skeletal model. Let's take a look at the actions. Our primary action is going to be abduction of the thigh. So that's when the femur's moving away from the midline of the body, just like this. Now you can imagine the gluteus medius contracting to perform that action. So as it contracts, it pulls the femur upwards. So if we were, say, standing on one leg right now, it would actually stop the other side of the hip from dropping. So that's going to be another action of this muscle, is to stabilise the pelvis when standing on one leg. So that might be when you're walking or running or any other activity where you just stand on the one leg. Our next action is going to be medial rotation of the femur. So as you can see, as it rotates towards the anterior of the body, that'd be medial rotation. And it's going to be the anterior fibres of the gluteus medius which are performing this. Now the posterior fibres are actually able to laterally rotate the femur, so moving it towards the posterior of the body. But it can only do this when the hip's extended. When the hip's flexed like that, lateral rotation is not really going to occur from the gluteus medius because it's not in an advantageous position to do that now. However, it could still contribute towards that medial rotation if it wanted to. So if you've enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, you know which buttons to press. Press those buttons down there. Really helps out the channel. I've also got links to the gluteus maximus and the gluteus minimus videos down in the description box. So check out them as well if you're interested. Thanks again for watching everyone. I'll see you all next time.